In this section, we're going to show you how to replace your TouchCare Nano Patch Pump. In just a few easy steps, we'll guide you through the process of changing a TouchCare Nano Pump. We'll cover everything from connecting the pump base to the PDM or EasyPatch app, filling the reservoir patch with insulin, priming it, and applying the pump to your body. 1. Pump replacement with the PDM. Before you begin to insert a sensor, you need to prepare a personal diabetes manager, PDM, a transmitter, a glucose sensor, and alcohol wipes. Wash your hands with soap and water and allow them to air dry. Now choose a flat and pinchable placement site. Clean it with an alcohol wipe and let it air dry completely. Open the sensor package. Gently remove the sensor. Use your thumb and index finger to bend off the safety lock by pushing it to the left or right. Remove the 2 pieces of protective liners. Avoid touching the adhesive area. Place the sensor vertically on the back of the upper arm. Hold the inserter cylinder for a few seconds to secure the sensor to your skin. Press the gray inserter button to insert the sensor. Remove the inserter perpendicularly away from the support mount. Discard the inserter into a shop's container. Now it's time to attach the transmitter. The triangle symbol on the transmitter should align with the rounded edge that extends from the center support mount. Keep the transmitter parallel to the sensor support mount, then snap it in. Make sure the transmitter is securely connected. The green indicator light on the transmitter will flash 3 times after a successful connection. It will flash another 6 times within 1 minute, indicating the system check has finished. Run your finger around the edge of the adhesive pad to make sure the pad remains tightly adhered to your skin. Slide to the left from the main screen. Tap Sensor from the main menu. Tap Connect Sensor. Tap Enter. Enter the sensor code on the sensor package. Tap Done to connect sensor. Tap Next. After the warm-up, which takes less than an hour, you will receive glucose readings. 2. Pump replacement with the EasyPatch app. The items that you need to activate a new patch pump include the EasyPatch app, a pump base, a packaged reservoir patch, a vial of room temperature rapid-acting insulin, and alcohol wipes. If it's your first time using the pump base, you'll need to connect it to the app. Just open the EasyPatch app, go to the main menu, tap on Settings, then choose Insulin Pump and tap Add Pump Base. You can use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on the back of the pump base or the box it came in. Or, if you prefer, you can enter the serial number manually. Once the pump base is connected, it's time to attach it to the reservoir patch. First, wash your hands with soap and water and let them air dry. Then open the reservoir patch package and place the patch on a clean flat surface. Take the pump base and gently press it into the patch at a 90-degree angle until you hear a click. After that, press again at a 45-degree angle to make sure it's securely attached. You'll hear 4 beeps when everything is correctly connected. Next, it's time to fill the patch with insulin. Start by cleaning the top of your insulin vial with an alcohol wipe. Attach the needle to the syringe and pull down the plunger to draw insulin. Tap the syringe gently to make air bubbles rise, then push the plunger slightly to remove the bubbles. Insert the needle straight into the fill port on the bottom of the patch. Pull the plunger back just a bit to remove any trapped air, then withdraw the needle. Remove any remaining bubbles from the syringe. Then reinsert the needle and slowly fill the patch with insulin. When you're done, remove the needle and put the protective cap back on before safely disposing of the syringe. Now you're ready to prime the pump. Make sure the patch pump is placed on a clean surface and kept at least 30 centimeters away from magnetic objects like phones or other pumps. Hold the pump with one hand and press the needle button down with the other hand until it locks halfway. In the app, tap Prime. The priming process takes a little time, and it's important not to remove the safety lock while it's priming. When priming is finished, the app will show you that it's time to attach and insert the patch. Choose a clean, flat, and pinchable spot on your body. Wipe it with an alcohol wipe and let it dry completely. Slide off the safety lock and peel off the adhesive liners. Be careful not to press the needle button yet. Place the patch on your skin and press down firmly, especially around the edges of the adhesive. Then, press the needle button in one quick motion. You'll feel it lock in place. In the app, tap Continue, and that's it. Your patch pump is now active and ready to deliver insulin. When it's time to remove the patch, start by deactivating it in the app. Go to the main menu, choose Insulin Delivery, then tap Deactivate Patch and slide to confirm. Use the needle eject tool by inserting it straight into the needle retraction hole and pressing down. This safely retracts the needle. Gently lift the edge of the adhesive from your skin. If needed, you can use alcohol wipes or baby oil to help remove the tape. Break the tab on the reservoir patch, remove the pump base, and keep it for your next use. Dispose of the used patch according to your local rules, and you're done. 3 do's and don'ts. Here are some important points to keep in mind. Some people use a skin barrier product or extra medical tapes to make the wearing experience of the patch pump more comfortable. The TouchCare Nano Patch Pumps are compatible with Humalog, NovoRapid, Apidra, and Fiasp, with a concentration of 100 units per milliliter. The TouchCare Nano Pump has a fixed 90-degree steel cannula of 6 mm. The pump holds 200 units of insulin and can be worn for up to 3 days. If you require more than 200 units of insulin within 3 days, this system may not be suitable for you. Remember to check your blood glucose levels 2 hours after inserting a new pump. This is the only way to confirm proper insertion and insulin delivery. It's best to avoid changing the pump right before bedtime. If you ever feel unsure, don't panic. Take your time, follow the steps, and if needed, reach out to customer service or your diabetes care team. You did a great job! Now you're familiar with the process of replacing the TouchCare Nano Pump with the PDM or EasyPatch app. Enjoy and trust the process.